Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a kebab, Adana Kabab. Adana Kabab is very similar to the kebab kubide, beef kebab or lamb kebab. The texture is a little bit different. The ingredients is almost the same except there's one additional into that. Adana Kabab is, as I heard, originally is from Iran. It's from the state of Azerbaijan, but later on it was adopted in Turkey in a city named Adana. So it became Adana Kebab. Adana Kebab is just a combination of it. You can usually they make it with the lamb, but these days in Iran they make it with a mixture of lamb and beef. So I'm going to do the same thing. Let's go over the ingredients and start talking about it and start making it. Okay, what I have here is about 1.5 pounds of the beef shoulder. This is the beef shoulder, and I have, because there is no fat, enough fat, I cut some of the fat from my steak and just add it to this. I have a eye-rind steak, and I just took some of the fat. I have about 1/2 pound lamb. Usually what they're making it, it goes as far as a 60-40 ratio, 60% meat and 40% fat. But this is going to be too much. Usually the best is going around like a 20 to 25%. This is the way that I think. I don't have any way to measure exactly how much meat, but I think is enough. It might be around like something between 15 to 20%. Anyway, you have to cut this. The way they make it is chop this and start chopping it by big knife or one of the cleaver, which is usually is a big like a moon shape, and start cutting it, chopping it, mincing it goes together. Okay, now I'm going to use half of this red bell pepper. In Turkey, they have a similar to this. It's a longer and a much skinnier like this. This is a Korean. It's sweet, but the color and the shape is like this, is a red. I couldn't find it, so I'm going to use only this bell pepper. I'm going to use half of this parsley for just chopping it, just mixing it with meat, and the other half for its salad. There is one onion I'm going to use with the meat, mixing it, chopping it, and I have 2 cloves of garlic using for that. This another one is for making a salad. You have a special salad that they make goes with this kebab. And I have 2 tomato that I'm going to for the also salad. The spices, I have here 1.5 teaspoon sumac, 1.5 teaspoon paprika, but 1 1/4 of teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 of teaspoon red pepper, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, I'm going to just put this aside and bring our grinder because I don't have that and I don't have the energy to do like what they do it. So, but it's going to do the same thing. I'm going to explain it to you why. So let's put this aside and bring my electric grinder and go from there. Okay, this is, the window that we're using here. As you see, it's very small, not very small, because there is 3 pieces of this. One is smaller than this hole. This is the biggest one. So we are going to use this one because, as I said, when they're chopping it, it's not going to be that much fine. So this is going to be doing the same thing as we're doing it by hand. First thing first, I am going to chop my onion, make it the smaller pieces. Then Bell pepper. Smaller pieces. All right. All right. Start doing the onion first. Probably I'm going to just cut the noises in a, in a video because it makes a lot of noise. So what I do here, just trying to get the juice out. We don't need that. But as you see, it's a different, the ratio on this one with the regular kebab kubi. The regular kebab kubi, you probably have to use 3 for this size of meat, 3 onion, and take all the juice out. This is like this. That's could be enough. All right. Now, I put this aside. Going to chop our meat. Cutting in small pieces. All the meats together. All right, these are chopped enough. Now, what we are going to do is just, I'm going to actually demonstrate how they chop this by hand, and I just ground it with my machine. At the same time, let me go wash my hand, separate this from our board, and come back to show you. This is they would do it. They go like this. Till it gets minced. Became like this. They would do the same thing with the onion and the pepper and everything together till finished. Now we're going to do the same thing with this, to the machine. Okay, as you saw, I add the garlic also to the meat, so because it's going to be grinding together. Now, I'm going to add everything this time, including our onion and bell pepper, all the spices. All right, I'm going to mix all these things together. Then one more time, I'm going to grind all together again, and that's it. Then we put it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Then we just going to skewer them. All right, that's good enough. Now, doing the same thing one more time. All right, you should put this in the bowl. It's all done. And you don't have to do nothing now. It has the stickiness enough, and the texture is what it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm going to leave this one for 1 hour in our fridge. Then we put it on a skewer. All right, I see you there. Oops, one thing I forgot. They say is out of the sight is out of the mind. So the parsley that I did not put in the meat. So let's add this to the meat and then put it in the fridge. The other half is for our salad. So let me chop this very well to go the texture with the rest of the ingredients. Okay, going to our meat. I have to mix them again together. All right, this is going to go to the fridge for about an hour, as I said. While it's in there, uh, I'm going to make our salad for this kebab. No, I'm going to wash my hand, and while it's in the fridge, we make our salad. All right, for the salad, this is how they make their salad. Chop the parsley. Put them together. With the sumac. Those are the size for the tomato. Okay. And salt. Pepper. And olive oil. This is the salad. All right. Now we wait another 15 minutes. Then I bring that meat and start skewering them. See you then. All right, our meat is getting ready, and I'm going to put it on a skewer. I need to put a little bit wet my hand, then pick up around like about maybe a 80 to 120 grams. It depends on your hand, your how size you want, your grill, all those things. It matters. By the way, today is one of the record-breaking heat in Southern California, and it's so hot. Even the full-blown AC we have here is still on sweaty. It's very hot. All right, here we go. Just put it in like this, turn around, hit one more time, and go down. Just putting your finger together, one by one. I already have that how to skewer the kebab in our video. So if you want it, you can go and take a look at it, but still I'm going to show how easy this one is. It's not hard to stick to the skewer. So I'm going to do another couple, maybe more, and then we go to grill. Go by the side. As soon as you put it there, go wet your hand again, turn around, and push it down. One more time. There you go. It's a little bit colorful kebab. For the first few seconds, just turn them every 10 seconds. All right, we're gonna see you on serving it. All right, guys, Nuksha John, it's ready, and that's how you eat it with the bread of your choice. And this is a salad. If you want to add something else, if you want to add the basil, the cilantro, whatever it you makes you feel good. So that was our kebab today. And till next time with another dish, again, thank you so much for watching, sharing, and supporting. I see you next. Bye.